Hello YouTube, good to see you again. My name is Anshjelm and this is Anshjelm Restoration channel. And welcome on board for the fourth episode of this puch Maxi / Pappatunturi restoration series. And in this video we restore the tires. Long-awaited episode and and my most feared episode because I've never threw the wheels. So we will see what that will bring. But yeah, what we do in this video, we tear those old wheels apart, we polish the hubs, we add the brakes, and of course we add new spokes and rims because those rims were so bad in shape, so I just wanted to brand new look, so I ordered a new one. And of course we add new rubbers. So I hope in end of this video you will see completely restored tires. But now, without further ado, here we go! Oh boy, this is hard. It's very stuck. I will only break the bearings if I hit it there. I really need to get this piece off here. I just decided to hit it hard. Indeed hard I hit it, because now the bearing is broken inside, but I think it did something because this bearing is actually coming off. So because this ring isn't going out, I think I have to keep hitting it, even it would break the inside a little bit. But when you don't know what to do, just use brute force, right? Don't actually do that, but I will now. It's coming off. Can you see it? Yes. Oh, it's hot. Thank God. Now we're talking here. Yes! Like I said, the brute force is never a good idea because I actually noticed that this is the outring of the old bearing which broke inside, and now this is stuck in here. Let's try the water trick. I don't know will this work, but I use cold water here. Look! It works! It works! Oh yes! And it's off. I think the water was actually a good trick. Or then it only was the heating, I don't know, but it's out. And these are done. Oh boy, oh boy. I am so happy. Can you see how beautiful this is? At least I find this very beautiful. Oh yes, I can play this as a harp. I'm like a muse. Can I be your muse? Okay, maybe that's too far. But yeah, I am very happy these are done. I have to tell you, it was kind of a challenge. It was actually extremely hard for me, but dedication and practice is the word again for those also. And I want to give some credit for Cameron Niemela's videos, which I find very helpful, and I add those videos in my description so you can find those also. So thank you, Cameron. I appreciate it. And I'm planning also doing my own tutorial where I talk you through the whole process, how you assemble the spokes, where the spokes should go, and how you through the wheels. So stay on tune for that. But now, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please leave a like, and I see you in the next video. Now, Anshjelm out!